Yo, YouTube, what is going on? You can tell by the title of this video what it's about. I'm going to be showing you the best DoorDash promo codes in 2024. These promo codes are going to get you tons of free food, but also account credit. So it's literally going to add a balance to your DoorDash account that you can spend however you want, basically across as many orders as you want. And it's $100. Pretty cool, guys. This is definitely the best DoorDash promo code that I've discovered, and trust me when I say I spent hours searching. So yeah, this is a tutorial going to be showing you how to get yours. So you need to use your mobile phone and have an internet connection, which if you use DoorDash, I'm sure you already have both of those things. And you need to go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. So basically navigate your way to this website here, guys. Pretty easy, just type it exactly how I typed it there. And when you reach this website, it says here, get wavy and save, search below. So at the top of the page, there is a search bar here, and you just have to search for DoorDash. And you're essentially navigating your way to the DoorDash free credit and food coupons page. You can see these coupons are limited, but sometimes this number doesn't update. But I've never actually seen wavy coupons run out of coupons. But yeah, just keep that in mind. So you can choose a couple of different codes. There's a $100 DoorDash account credit promo code. And there is also a get your next three DoorDash food orders for free code. Now that is a tongue twister. So you just have to select which code you want. I'm going to go for the $100 one. So click show coupon and this is going to pop up. And you can see you need to unlock your DoorDash promo code. Obviously a $100 DoorDash account credit code is worth about $100, so this basically just prevents people from being able to steal all of the codes. So you need to unlock your personal promo code. Now I'm not going to do it, I've done this too many times to be honest, so I don't actually need any more account credit. But what you're going to need to do is click on unlock code, and when this red circle reaches 100%, you're going to see a new page appear, and it's going to tell you basically how to unlock your code. You need to just verify you are a real person, and yeah, it's going to reveal the full promo code, and you can then go ahead and redeem it in the DoorDash app. So yeah, just complete a couple of free tasks to verify you're a real person and enjoy. So yeah, go to wavycoupons.com and get your DoorDash promo codes.